What's up, you guys? It's your girl Lodi, and I'm back with another video. So if you want to know how you can go from having effed up bed heads to these cute little messy curls and revamp the look, then keep on watching. So guys, I'm gonna start out with my plug-in pink flat irons. Here they are. I'm showing them to you. So I'm gonna lift up my hair and start in sections. I'm gonna pick up a piece and comb it out, because of course, since we have bed head, it's a little tangled. I'm gonna take my flat iron and I'm gonna make a slight bump going forward, and then flick it off to the side to create that curl, not a flick of the wrist. And then I'm gonna comb my hair down, pick up another piece in this section, and I'm gonna take my flat iron, go back in, curl it to the side. And I'm gonna keep doing that for the top of my head, so you guys just keep on watching. We'll go through and we're gonna just pick up, flick to the side, pick up, flick to the side. And we're gonna go different ways with the curls in order to, you know, make them not so uniform. So yeah, just keep watching while I do that. And now I'm starting to fix the front so that I can face frame it in the front and make it look how I want to look, nice and pretty in the front. So I'm just taking the curls and I'm moving them every which way. I'm just gonna brush my sides with this little edge brush. I don't have anything on my brush though. My hair is pretty oily because it's a few days old, so I just use the brush and kind of brush the pieces in place, Get my little swoops around my edges. Brush my baby hairs into place. Get it all nice and smooth, okay? Yep, and then brush the back so you don't have those pieces sticking up. And we're pretty much done with the process. It's fast, it's easy. So want to make sure you get it right. Make sure it looks nice and cute. And there you have it. Revamping your bedhead hair. Okay, you guys, so that completes the end of the video. If you like how my hair looks, I'm clearly feeling myself. But if you like how my hair looks, then definitely don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And definitely turn on the notification bell so that you will be notified every time that I upload a video. And thanks so much for watching.